Welcome to the Sustainable Placemaking Project Part 2, My Place. For this assignment, I have chosen to research and analyze Taws Plaza. Taws Plaza is located on South Campus at the University of Maryland College Park. This plaza is part of the UMD community, which is a world-class state university and home to approximately 32,000 students. The overall community is a second home to many people, and the large campus promotes the virtues of academics and student development. The plaza is seen as a square open area in the middle of the large academic buildings including Taws Hall, the Benjamin Building, and the Art and Sociology Building. It is also adjacent to Campus Drive and directly behind the famous McKeldin Library. Initially, the plaza feels like an open area with trees, some grass, metal tables and benches, and mid-sized fountain in the middle. There are many places that are true public areas on campus, and Taws Plaza is the one that stood out for me. I chose this place because I have been walking across the plaza for my classes ever since I was a student at the University of Maryland. I feel like it is one of those places on campus that has the potential to be the UMD hotspot. However, I feel like the current condition is not up to standard. I cross this plaza every day for my classes, and I feel strongly about how the location is not converted into a sustainable area like we discussed in class. When we want to hang out with our friends for a gathering, then the most common places are McKeldin Mall or probably the Washington Quad. I feel like the University of Maryland can convert Taws Plaza into something much more sustainable and useful to the students so that it is not merely an open area that is used for walking from point A to point B. In terms of issues and problems, I think the major concern for Taws Plaza is that it is not maintained, so it feels more on the dull and boring side compared to other landmarks on campus. The area also feels large and mostly unoccupied since the walking pedestrians tend to use the side entrances. As a result, an issue is the overall dynamic and the pathway of the plaza itself. The plaza would look more environmentally friendly if there was a botanical garden and more plants. This would also increase the aesthetic beauty and the overall natural element. The plaza can also be more inviting to students if there was more amenities like a food pavilion and an open green area for physical activities. As part of the University of Maryland community, we need to be able to understand our environment and be able to structure it in a way that students can feel like they are truly at home. Working towards the improvement of Taws Plaza can promote academics and the social life of students, ultimately making your community stronger and better for future terps.